cold, but it's a little chilly. It's
Yeah,
not
it's
breezy
not bad.
like it was last night.
Yeah. What's up, peeps? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I broke down and got me some DJI goggles. Here's a little Badger rebuild. If you haven't noticed, I've been working on that too. But as far as my first impressions are, I'm fucking loving these things. Got the analog connection over here too, but I haven't really been using that too much because I've been stuck on the HD train. My first flight was kind of iffy because I didn't know the little settings. I'm one of those guys that doesn't like to use instructions and shit. So, you know, I just went at it and kind of had to go hiking for my first trip down a little hill on the mountainside, and I'll put that in here. Good flight, not too bad. Getting a little better with the SD card because I guess you can't go anything higher than 100. Was it 100 gigs I said? Anyways, I just went with the regular 64 megabits and everything's going good. No more SD card slow warnings in the goggles anymore. Getting some real crisp footage, which you'll see right here. Noticed maybe that's why there were some vibrations. I don't have screws in my frame. That could have what was making all the shakes last night when I was flying, and I thought it was a loose prop. Well, I'm glad I'm making this video, because I would have went up again figuring something was wrong with the damn motor. But good morning to you, you motherfucker. Anyway, guys, here's some really good footage. We're getting better and better with this HD flying. I'll throw some flights in with JJ flying too. Drone excursion, if you guys don't know it, hit up his channel as well. But here's some of that footage here. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you when I get some more flights in. I've only had these probably maybe, what, 2 weeks? And I'll get back to you with some more crisp footage and try to get some better stuff than just the UPS parking lot. Did I say ups? But anyways. Alright peeps, like and subscribe, comment down below. And if you didn't already, have a great flying day. Alright? Peace.